3 offices, one in Benson, North Carolina, which is where we are now, and 2 other offices, one in Clinton and Roseboro, North Carolina. I believe that there are basically 2 broad groups of the way optometrists practice, or broad categories. There's the urban setting, which I believe is more product-driven sometimes, and then the rural setting, which is more service-driven.
We're all rural area. This is a farming communities that we're in, and so we kind of approach our practices in that way.
Because I grew up here, the thing I value the most is the trust that my patients have for me and my good name.
It's logical to think that in a smaller population, maybe a lower income population, that the patient need for higher end frames or higher end technology might not be there, but that's not our philosophy. We pride ourselves in offering the best quality to everybody.
And that's what I personally work on with every patient. I want them to feel like they've had the best eye exam they can have, and I want them to feel like I've given them options not that benefit me, but give them the options that benefit them. I have a kind of a small microcosm of Vision Source with my family, and between my family we have 12 to 15 offices. I have a brother, Dr. Eric Raynor, that's a Vision Source member, a brother-in-law, Dr. Alan Bird, that's a Vision Source member, and a cousin, Dr. Dan Raynor, that's a Vision Source member. And before we were in Vision Source, we did what Vision Source does.
Vision Source obviously gives us a buying power, some volume discounts on all of our equipment and our lenses and our products. But it also gives us a community to be a part of that encompasses other colleagues across the world, basically.
The greatest value of Vision Source, while it's wonderful to have these rebates and this money coming back, the biggest value with Vision Source is the ability to talk to other doctors and get information that really makes your practice better, and that's where the real money savings and the real improvement in things comes.